Okay, so this question says, at the beginning of April, a colony of ants has a population of 5,000. The colony decreases by 1/5 each month. By what fraction does the colony's population decrease each month? And then we're going to write the equation that represents the population of the ant colony after X months. So again, I love, just before we start any math, just to, annotate our problem. So what do we notice? It has a population of 5,000. What else is given? The colony decreases by 1/5 each month. And then the question that is being asked is, what fraction does it decrease by? And we want the equation for the ant colony after X months. So this means what remains. All right, so hopefully we've gotten that. So with that said, what are some things we know? Well, we know that the initial value of the population, the ant population, is 5,000. We know the fraction by which a population is decreasing is 1/5, or as a decimal, that's 0.2. And to do that, you put that in your calculator, 1 divided by 5. That will give you the decimal approximation. And then in order to find the fraction of the population that remains, you're going to subtract the amount by which it's decreasing, which is 1/5, from 1. And that gives you 4/5. And I had showed us in an earlier problem how to do that, but our 1 is going to be 5 over 5 minus 1 over 5, because you can't subtract fractions until you have common denominators. So you keep your denominator and you subtract your numerator. That gives us 4/5. And we know that we can change that to a decimal by way of division. That's going to give us 0.8. So the equation that gives us the remaining population after X months would be y is equal to 5,000, our initial value, times the fraction of the ant population that remains raised to the x power. And this is 4/5 raised to the x power. Or we could write that as y is equal to 5,000 times 0.8 raised to the x.